What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel.
In this tutorial, you'll learn the fastest way to get the new exclusive character, Toji and Anime Vanguards. This guide will provide a clear and actionable steps to help you quickly acquire Toji, enhancing your gameplay experience in this popular Roblox game. Toji is an exclusive character, so it is essential to understand how and when you can obtain him. Keep an eye on in-game events and updates, as exclusives are often available for a limited time. Collect in-game currencies such as coins or gems, which may be necessary to purchase or unlock Toji. Participate in battles and complete missions to earn rewards that can be used to acquire Toji. Take part in any special events or challenges that may be offering Toji as a reward. Check event details regularly, as they can provide unique opportunities to unlock exclusive characters. Look for promotional codes that may grant you additional resources or directly unlock Toji. Codes can usually be found on the game's official social media pages or community Discord server. Engage with the Anime Vanguards community on platforms like Discord to stay updated on strategies, tips, and tricks for obtaining exclusive characters. By following the steps, you can efficiently work towards acquiring the exclusive Toji character in Anime Vanguards. Stay active in the game, participate in events, and leverage community resources to enhance your chances of success.
If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.